What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I hope you guys are all having a great day. It is unfortunately now raining here in the Northwest. I just got done cleaning the truck, so of course it is now raining, as you can see, which sucks, but it is what it is. Turbo, say what's up to the vlog. So today we're going to be doing a lighting upgrade on the truck, but before we get started on that, I'm going to show you guys a couple of clips of the camping trip me, my girlfriend, and Turbo just took. T06. All right, thank you. Let's go check out the spot. So we finally got everything set up here, and Turbo is his first time camping and he's loving it. Well, he will not stop going in and out of the tent, huh, bud? Sniff the camera. So we got our tent set up here and a tarp on the ground because unfortunately it is raining. We planned this trip like 2 months ago. Got a little canopy here. I put tarps on all 3 sides. Babe, say hi.
Hi. Got
the food cooler, the drink cooler. Made our own little fire pit because this one over here doesn't move and it's kind of in an awkward spot. And plenty of wood. They got more in the car and we bundled it all ourselves, but yeah, this will be exciting. So our first night's dinner, we're having, what is that?
Rosemary potatoes with garlic
and steaks. Turbo's ready for bed. It's gonna be a wrap on our first night camping. See you guys in the morning. You ready to go for a walk? You know we're just going for a dog walk, right? I mean, you have to go all out on me.
Dog mom AF.
I mean, look, she got the fanny pack here. The dog bag is ready to go. Dog water ready with a bowl. Look at the dog. This poor dog. You got a harness on, the collar, the bandana. You're looking good though, Turbo. You ready to go for a walk? All right. These things are massive. I mean, in comparison to a person, look at that. These things are huge. Wow. It's pretty big.
Bigger than your face.
Bam! That was a really awesome trip. I had a lot of fun. It was my girlfriend's first time and Turbo's first time. He loved it, as you guys can tell. He had a lot of fun and it was really awesome. Even though it did rain, we planned the trip back in March, so we didn't know it was gonna be raining. But typical Northwest weather, you never know what's gonna happen. So unfortunately it did rain, but we still made the best of it and had a lot of fun. So with that being said, let's get into today's upgrade. I'm gonna pull the truck into the shop here and then we'll get started. So here's the new lighting upgrade. It's about as long as the tailgate, as you can see. And what it is, it's a new tailgate lighting strip. It's gonna go across here. As you can see, there's a pretty crappy one in here now. And it's been in there about 8 months, maybe a year, and all the lights are out except for a couple over here. Right into the unboxing of this. Let's get it open. So here's the new light right here. Beautiful 3-row LED lighting. It's from Opt7 Lighting. So they are a new sponsor on the truck. They are providing a lot of the lights that will be going on the truck, which you guys will see in future videos. So huge shout out to Opt7 Lighting. Make sure to check them out on Instagram and their website. I'll put a link down below. Before we get started on installing the new light, I wanted to show you guys a comparison between the new and the old. So here's the old light. It's made of rubber and it flexes. The new light has got an aluminum body so it won't rust and it doesn't flex at all, which is awesome. This one has 3 rows of LEDs. I tore out the old one. This one only has 1 row. And as you can see, it's got collected a lot of dust and water and condensation over the 8 months, as well as dirt. It's pretty gross. This one comes with a strip on the back as well as hardware, if you want to be sure it stays on, which I'll probably do. And it's got a plug and play, so you just plug this right into your tow adapter. If you don't have a 4-prong, like me, I have a 7-way, so I went and picked up the 7-way that goes to a 4-way. You can just pick that up at AutoZone, O'Reilly's, Home Depot. So here are the instructions that came with the light, and I gotta say I'm very impressed with how thorough they are. And they also have some photos, which helps you with wiring the white wire on the light for the reverse light. And it's got here trucks with a 4-pin trailer tow plug. It's plug and play, and if you don't, you have to wire it up. And it comes with all the wire splicers as well as an extension if the short 3-foot cord doesn't reach your tow plug in. So before we get started on installing the new light, we gotta take this whole light out first. So our first step is going to be testing and connecting the light. So since I have a tow plug-in, I'm going to take my 7-prong and plug it into my 4-pin here. And go ahead and plug that into the tow package. And then hop in the truck and we'll test the lights out. Third step is going to be mounting the bar. So first we're going to remove the tailgate, which we've already done. We're going to clean the area thoroughly. So the next step is going to be prepping the area for the adhesive to be able to adhere to. So first, since I had an existing light, I'm going to take this plastic detail scraper and scrape this whole backside here to get all the existing adhesive off. And then take a detail spray and just clean the area thoroughly. So our next step will be using the provided clips to attach to the back of the bed here for the light. You can either use the clips or the adhesive strip on the back, or you can use both. I'm gonna go ahead and just use the clips, that way I can remove it if I want, or adjust it if I need to. So next on the instructions, we are going to wire up the reverse light. So the first step for that will be remove your tail light. For me, it's going to be a T20. Quite a bit of wire here. I'm going to guess about 8 to 10 feet. So I'm going to go ahead and cut off what I don't need here, which is quite a bit. Now I'm going to use one of the splicers they provide you with. Replace it on that reverse wire. Take the wire from the light for the reverse light. Alright, now I'm going to test it to make sure it works. Alright, now I'm going to put the tail light back on as well as the tailgate. So on the old tailgate light, I had to use some of this wire cover, but on this one I don't have to because this wire is so clean that it looks good as it is. Now that the light's completely installed, I'm gonna hop in the truck and turn it on and show you guys how all the lights work. So as you guys just saw, this light looks awesome. It works perfectly. There's nothing wrong with it. Literally plug and play, no wiring except for the reverse light wire, which is very simple. You just got to find out which light goes through reverse light. Luckily for me, I already knew exactly which one it was, so it was really simple. So some of the awesome features of this light would be, like I said, the aluminum body, so if you live near water, it won't rust. It's 100% waterproof. It works in temperatures down to -20 all the way up to 170. So if you live in Canada where it's really cold, or in Arizona where it's really hot, this light's gonna be perfect for you. So this is the 60-inch light, which has 1200 LEDs. The 48-inch is gonna have 720 LEDs. Comes with a 2-year warranty, which is awesome. And it has 50,000 hours of lifetime on this thing, which is absolutely ridiculous. So I'm really excited to try this light out and see how it works. So I will see you guys later tonight.
You send me, I know you send me, darling, you send me, I know you send me, darling, you send me, I know you send me, darling, you send me, darling, you send me, I know you do, 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 send me, darling, you.
That's gonna do it for this video. Huge shout out to Opt7 Lighting. Make sure to check them out on Instagram and their website. There'll be a link down below. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe. I'll see you next time.
Darling, you